All right, welcome to the Bisnard Chase Personal Injury Lawyer Educational Series. This presentation is going to cover how to hire and choose a personal injury lawyer to legally represent you. No matter what that case is, any personal injury type, situation would warrant you to seek legal representation. So let's go through and see exactly what we need to consider to help you make a smart decision, right? So choosing a personal injury attorney, right? One of the first things that you want to consider is experience. Just the overall experience of the firm. How many years have they been practicing? How many clients have they helped? This is going to be a good indication of how experienced they are, how many cases they actually seen, how many different clientele types that they've had the chance to work with. The next indicator is going to be trusted organization associations. So this is quite simply what affiliations the law firm has, whether that's with the Better Business Bureau, obviously a trusted source of businesses across the country. And again, these are some of the more prominent and more recognizable organizations that I'm talking about here. Just understand that there are several organizations and associations. Some are paid, some are free, some are a selection. A committee kind of chooses which organizations are part of it. So just understand that there's a mix. If you just stick with at least understanding that these ones here exist, you'll have a good indication of the law firm, how trusted it is. Super Lawyers is another great organization that is every year it is based on peer evaluations and peer choosing. So winning the Super Lawyers Award is a great sign of trust because again that is based on a peer evaluation. So the actual law firm has no say in that. Avvo is another popular one. LexisNexis is another popular organization. The big thing about all of these is that you can go to each of these sites and check out the profiles of the law firm and read actual client reviews. All right, awards. This can be from local organizations, whether that's a city, town, or state. It could also be national awards from national associations or organizations. These are going to be typically legal based, whereas your local organizations can be business, just purely business based. Client reviews and testimonials may be the most important factor to look at when choosing a personal injury attorney to help you with your case. The big ones are going to be third-party websites. Now, Google Plus is becoming quite the site to check out reviews of any business, law firms as well. And then Yelp, again, another spot that reviews multiple businesses. However, you can typically find some good, honest reviews on Yelp. The next source of those is the actual law firm website. Now, the reason why you want to check out the third-party websites is the law firm website may not give the entire picture. So obviously they can only put so many reviews up on their website. So it is better to go to a third-party website where former clients can go and you can basically view a whole collection of reviews and ratings. Then there's going to be some internal trust factors to look at that can help you gauge how trusted a law firm may be. So a no-fee guarantee. This is where you don't pay anything unless the law firm wins your personal injury case. So this is a win-win relationship here. So you know going in that you're not just putting a bunch of money up front with without expectations here. The expectation is the law firm doesn't get paid at all unless they win your case. So there's a vested interest, and again, they can form a relationship with their clients. The second part of this is offering free case evaluations. You shouldn't have to pay to share your story, to share your case, to tell your side of the story. to describe your situation. There should be no reason. You actually haven't done anything at this point in time as far as action-wise, so why would you have to pay for that? So offering a free case evaluation, if a law firm has free case evaluations, that's a great sign of trust. They're not going to charge you to get a feeling for your case. They don't know anything yet, so how can they collect any money? All right, so in summary, this is just a great quick presentation on just how to look at a few important factors to help choose a trusted personal injury law firm for your case. We're going to base that on experience, again, organization affiliations, awards, they could be local, they could be national, the big one, client reviews and testimonials, and then internal trust factors such as no fee guarantees and a free case evaluation. All right, that's it for today. Appreciate you joining me. Again, this was Bisner Chase, Personal Injury Attorneys. There is more information below this video. I encourage you to check it out, and I will see you in the next video.